What's up everybody, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm unboxing the LG G8. I've been waiting to get this phone for a while, but it was sold out with my carrier Sprint, so I had to wait a couple of weeks to get it. But now it's here and I'm going to unbox it, and I'm going to give you guys, I'm going to come back and give you guys a first impression or a review a little while later. All right guys. All right, I'm going to unbox the phone, show you guys what's in the box, what it comes with, and I'm going to put in all my information, and then I'm going to come back and give like a quick thought on the phone, and let you guys know. I'm also dropping another video right after this one, just my quick thought about this phone and what I think so far. All right, guys. I'm going to go over the spec list a little quick and let you guys know. So the LG G8 has a 6.1-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1440 by 3120. The phone has 6 gigs of RAM, 3500 milliamp hour battery, 12 megapixel. It has 3 cameras, two 12 megapixel and one 16 megapixel camera. It's an octa-core processor. The model I have is the 128 gigabyte, 6 gigs of RAM. I didn't have any other options. That was the only option that Sprint had, so this is what I went with. Let's get into the performance. The phone is running the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855, and on the graphics side is the Adreno 640. The phone is 8.4 millimeter thick. The width is 71.8 millimeter. The weight is 167 grams. Yes, the phone is water resistant, IP68, dust, and waterproof. The height is 151.9 millimeter. The color I have here is the black, but there's also the red, Moroccan blue, and a gray color. I don't know if there's any other color. I don't know about that. Anyway, next. Like I said before, the phone has an Oled display. The aspect ratio is 19.5.9. It has a notch bezel. Some of you may like that, some of you may hate it. The iPhone had that for, I don't know how long, and everybody still loved the iPhone. Anyway, get used to it. The pixel density is 563 ppi. That's 83.57% screen to body ratio. Okay guys, that's it for the specs. Like I said, I unboxed the phone, and I've been playing with the settings for a little while, just getting used to stuff and seeing how things work. I haven't had an LG phone since the LG G4. That was my last LG phone, like officially. That was my last LG phone. Anything after that, I did not get because I didn't like, or I was deterred from getting any other LG phone, because let's just say I was comfortable, man. I was comfortable with what I had, and I felt like LG wasn't cutting it for me. But so far, for the last 30 minutes that I've been playing with this phone, so far I'm impressed, man. I'm impressed with what I see. The screen is bright, beautiful. That AMOLED screen with the dark colors and everything else is just very beautiful. I've been enjoying it for a little while, and yeah, man, I'm gonna give you guys my thoughts on it. I'm gonna do a review. I'm gonna put this phone through its paces. I'm gonna do some camera tests as well. I'm gonna compare it to my other phones that I have, and see what's up, man. But anyway, if you tune into this video, I appreciate you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to support your boy. I appreciate every support, every subscriber, every comment, every thumbs up, whether negative or good. Comment, say something. I don't care. So thank you guys for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.